Hi and welcome to our fourth video in our Learn to Knit series. So in this video we're going to learn how to cast off. So here you can see I've done a little sample for us. So I have cast on and I've done stocking stitch, so knit and purl every row for a few rows, and now I'm ready to cast off. So we're going to take our two needles and we're going to work as we usually would to knit. So first thing I'm going to do is knit 2 stitches. There we go. So I've knit the first 2 stitches and these are now on our right hand needle. Now to cast off, I'm going to take this first stitch, so the stitch further away from the point of the needle, and I'm simply going to pick this stitch up and pass it over the next stitch on the needle, as so. And that is 1 stitch cast off. Then we go to knit the next stitch, so that is 1 more stitch knit. So then we've got 2 stitches on our right hand needle again, and then we just take the stitch furthest away and bring it over that stitch, and that is how we cast off. So we just carry on for the rest of the row doing the same thing. So knit the next stitch, pick the furthest away stitch up, lift it over the needle and off, 3rd stitch cast off, and repeat as so. When casting off, we want to make sure not to do it too tightly. There we go again. So lifting that stitch off the needle, knit the next stitch, and repeating to the end of the row, as so. And then we're left with our 2 final stitches. So again, knit that stitch, pass that over, and you'll be left with 1 final loop on the needle. So with this final loop, we just want to give it a little pull off. So we're creating that loop to be a little bit bigger. And then with your scissors, we just want to cut an end. So leaving about 20 centimeters to sew in afterwards. Cut that end. And then with our little loop that we've left, we just want to pull this loop, this end through the loop, as so. Make sure that's nice and tight. And there you have cast off.